Grapes could prevent a heart attack by cleaning up your cholesterol. That, according to a report at studyfinds.org. Researchers from UCLA say the superfood is rich in chemicals that boost gut bacteria diversity and lower cholesterol, leading to better health. Their study found just 4 weeks of eating grapes led to significant health boosts among people who rarely eat fruit and vegetables. Scientists say grapes are bursting with natural sugars and are rich in powerful antioxidants that dampen inflammation. Researchers tracked 19 people between 21 and 55 years old who consumed the equivalent of about 40 grapes or 2 servings each day. Within a month, results show the diversity of their microbiome was higher. The microbiome is a community of trillions of bacteria and other microbes living in your gut that are essential for good health. Participants also had almost 8% less bad cholesterol, and bile acids which fuel that cholesterol fell by more than 40%. These harmful fats can lead to clots that block blood vessels, cutting off blood flow to the heart or brain. Previous research has linked eating grapes with combating cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and boosting libido. Cardiovascular disease kills an estimated 17 million people across the world each year, accounting for a third of all deaths. Find more on this and other studies at studyfinds.org.